which I'm not usually up this early, but I'm not used to sleeping with the curtains open, so I got waken up by the sun and it was actually pretty nice and I don't really feel tired, so I might do that more. Let's go make some breakfast and then I'm gonna work out. Okay, so it's around 9:30, which is crazy. The fact that I've already eaten breakfast, I worked out, I had a shower. This is not usually how my morning goes, okay? Usually I wake up at like 10 a.m., then I spend the next hour cuddling with my boyfriend, and then I get the day started. But yeah, this is crazy. Like, I would still be asleep if it was my usual day. I gotta do these videos more often.
You are a stone so gray, they kicked you away. You threw the dirt on your own grave, said the solitude is great. And you are the ice so thin that everyone can see. To your own cave, so the warm air's just great.
If you watched any of my recent videos, you would know that I did a huge closet cleanup recently. If you haven't watched it, this is the link for it. And yeah, I got rid of a bunch of clothes. This is literally not even the half of it. These are all the clothes that I want to post on my Vinted. If you want to check it out, this is how it looks. You can go follow me there. I haven't started taking pictures of the clothes yet, so I think it's about time we start because I filmed that video almost a month ago, or even more than that actually. So yeah, I'm gonna just try to, you know, take as many pictures as possible and you can watch me do it.
The image in my mind might be memory or dream. We are bathed in golden light, we are lit like a movie scene. When I think of all our days, I wish that they would all come clear.
Okay, all done. Now we have to put out the laundry and then we gotta make some lunch because I'm like running out of energy so much. And I'm also having hiccups, which is just so annoying. It's 12 p.m. and it's time for lunch. I actually made like a huge portion of spaghetti bolognese yesterday and we have so much left over, so I'm just gonna eat that. And with it, I'm just gonna prepare some salad so I have something healthy, you know. I'm also debating on whether or not I should fry an aubergine with it because I love a sauteed aubergine and it's kind of really good with the pasta, so you know what? We're being bougie today. I'm gonna make the aubergine. As you know, I titled this video living alone, but not really. And that's because I kind of feel like I am living alone, even though I'm still living with my parents, but like they wake up before me, they go to work, and then they come back and I'm already laying in bed because they have so much work. So it kind of feels like I'm living alone, but I'm not. Like, you know, I'm doing laundry, I'm cleaning, I'm, you know, taking care of the house as if it was my house, but yeah, so like that's why I titled this video like that, because I also love watching videos of like girls my age, you know, in their 20s, having their like first apartment, and then like, you know, dedicating their videos and their channel to like living alone at 20. And it's just so fun for me to watch, maybe because I'm like a little bit jealous of them that, you know, they can. And I mean, I could live alone, but it's just like, why would I, you know? Like this house is basically empty, so why would I, you know, search for a place where, again, it's gonna be empty? It just doesn't make sense. But yeah, I really wanted to make like a living alone vlog, even though I don't live alone. So here we are. Hopefully you like it. It looks so good. Here I have the sauteed eggplant, then my salad and the spaghetti bolognese. I don't have any cheese, like I don't know how that happened. So we have spaghetti without cheese, okay? Also, did you see Sivy? There she is. She's literally the most beautiful creature on this planet. But yeah, whatever. Bon appetit. It's strange to think that I've gotten to the point of my life where I prefer my cooking over anybody else's. Like, look at this plate. I feel like that has to, you know, do something with the fact that I'm an adult. You know, when you enjoy your cooking. Oh my god, let's go inside. I can't listen to that construction noise anymore. My camera was dead for like 2 hours now, but basically I just made some coffee, I laid in bed and watched TikTok, and then I cleaned some stuff in my garage, so you definitely didn't miss anything interesting. Now I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna put my makeup on, and we're gonna figure out what to wear, because I'm actually meeting my best friend. We don't really see each other that often. We literally see each other like twice a year, I would say. That's just because she's a ballerina and she works in Norway, in Oslo, and she does ballet there. And yeah, once or twice a year she comes back, so that's when we, you know, get the chance to see each other. And today we're having actually a sleepover. But before that, we're going to the movies to see the new Elvis movie, and I'm so excited. And before I meet up with her, I also want to go to Sephora to buy some new stuff for my skin, because it's just my type of fun. So yeah, now I'm just gonna get ready to go to the mall, then we're gonna meet up with my friend there, watch the movie, and then we're gonna come back home, and that's about it. So yeah. The outfit is pretty basic. Also, I think I'm going to melt because it's 32 degrees and I'm wearing high-waisted pants. What I really love about my outfit, well, it's not really an outfit, but like, look at my hair. I tried to do like the viral bun that everybody's been wearing lately. And yeah, I just wasn't a big fan of the hair peeking behind my head. So I just, you know, didn't do that, and I slicked it all back. I literally feel like I'm back in my ballerina days, but I'm not. Oh my god, I've been having hiccups all day. And it's so tiring. Like, I literally feel like I'm gonna throw up each time it comes, and it's so freaking annoying, but whatever. That's the outfit, and let's go shopping.
What else did you think could go wrong? I've been trying to cope, but I can't see strong. What else did you think might be true? 'Cause I've been waiting too long for nothing to do.
Okay guys, so I got a new dress and I had to change into it right away because when I was taking off my top, I put some makeup onto it by mistake. So yeah, I changed into the new dress right away. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put the picture of it right here because I don't know, it feels so cute. Yeah, anyways, I'm in front of the movies and I'm gonna wait for Julie, and that's about it.